Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to compare the premium Watch 5 Lite with a premium smartwatch of Haylou. That is the Haylou RS5 Smartwatch. The RS5 of Haylou is so far one of our favorite smartwatch from this company. And now we are going to compare its design as well as the offered features with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, a smartwatch that is becoming one of my favorite wearable this 2024. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the Haylou RS5 smartwatch, watch this video as we will compare the design, the specs, and the features of both wearables. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Support our channel so we can provide additional or more information on the latest smartwatches in the market. Okay, so let's start and compare the Redmi Watch 5 Lite with the Haylou RS5 smartwatch. Before we explore on the design of this wearable, so let's check on the packaging. So this is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the Haylou RS5. When it comes to packaging, as you can see here, the RS5 do have a much better design, premium looking box, and as you can see here, we do have some details at the back. Okay, so let's check and compare it. So we have here some information on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite on the side. For the Watch 5 Lite, we do have a 1.96-inch AMOLED display screen with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. For our RS5, we do have a 2.0-inch, so much bigger. Okay, AMOLED, also AMOLED screen with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution, so the same pixel resolution. Both do have a Bluetooth phone call support. Let me check on the 18 days of battery life here for the Lite. For the RS5, we do have 9-day battery life for typical usage and 20 days for basic usage. I don't know if this is basic usage for this one. I guess it is a combination of both for the Lite. I guess maybe they just have a minor difference when it comes to battery life. Both do have a health monitoring such as heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. There's also a sleep monitoring function. Okay, for the workouts, 150 workout modes professionally record your workout data. For our Lite, yes, we do have also a 150 plus workout modes. I don't know if which is better when it comes to the Bluetooth call, as we still haven't tested the Bluetooth call for the Lite. It says here dual mic noise reduction. Here, there's no details if it's okay or not, but it can also answer calls on the smartwatch as well as dial 1. Voice assistant, seems like we don't have a voice assistant here on our Lite. 580 mAh waterproof. Okay, the same waterproof rating if I'm not mistaken. Haylou Fun app, Mi Fitness application for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, so in terms of packaging, I prefer the RS5. Okay, but when it comes to design, let's take a look. Let's check. So here's the design of the Lite and the RS5. They almost have the same size here, I think. Okay, but I like the shape here of the RS5. It looks sporty and unique. The RS5 do have a metal body. I think the Lite do have a plastic material. Crown button, push button here. Brush finish, glossy finish for our Lite. Okay, on the side, the back, both do have a pogo pin, magnetic charging. On the other side, okay, again, for the looks here, so which is better? Both do have an AMOLED screen display with the same pixel resolution. So let's check. Let's adjust the brightness here. So this is the brightness, full brightness. Brightness, let's see. Display, brightness. So this is the full brightness also. So which is better? Okay, let's have a closer look. Both do have a quick release pin for its flexible silicone strap, as you can see here. Okay, for the weight, let's check. So let's 0, we do have 42.79. For the Lite, for our RS5, we have around 50 grams, I think. So 8 grams heavier compared to our Lite. Okay. The next, we will check on the menus and features of both wearable. But before that, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, let me wear the wearable. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So which do you think is better in terms of the design? For me, I think the RS5. Okay, both do have a premium screen display. Okay, both have the same pixel resolution. So when it comes to sharpness, I think it's just the same. Settings here, display adjustment, brightness, then that's it. Okay, again, let's have a closer look. Okay, so next, let's check on the menus and features of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the Haylou RS5 Smartwatch. Okay, on top we have the settings here and the options for your smartwatch, including the brightness and the menu options. Here for our Lite, we do have the notifications. See, it's the opposite. Okay, for the wearables. On the bottom part for the RS5, I think it's notifications. Yes, it's notifications. As you can see, the RS5 do have a crown button to change the watch face and navigate on the different menus. For our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it's just home and power button, as you can see here. Okay, for the left side, we have the split screen. Right side, it's all cards for the RS5. For our Watch 5 Lite, the same. It's all cards. Okay, left or right. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. The same with our Lite. Okay, so let's compare now the different features here, or the different menus. We have the Bluetooth call. We have the history here, workouts. So the same number of workout, 150 plus sports mode. Okay, sports record, we also do have it here. We have it running here, focus for running. We don't have it here for our RS5. Blood oxygen, heart rate, music control. Where's our heart rate? Let's see if they have the same UI. Okay, so different. Going back. Sleep monitoring. Let's see. Okay, no data. We have music control, breathing guide, weather. We also have it here. Alarm clock, events. We do have a task here. We don't have it here. But we do have a mood, voice assistant. We don't have it here on our Lite. We have SOS. We have focus, female health, stopwatch, timer. On a toolbox, we do have a stopwatch, timer. We have a flashlight, find phone, remote camera, and calculator. We don't have a calculator here in our Watch 5 Lite. But we do have a calendar, as you can see, and events. Okay. Do we have a flashlight? Let's see. Okay, do we have a flashlight here? Yes, we do have a flashlight. Okay, for the settings, let's check. Settings. Watch face and theme, brightness display, sound and vibration. We also have it here. We have a password also, PIN code, raise to wake, do not disturb mode, QR code for the app, system, and about. Okay, system. They almost have the same features here, I think. But we don't have an option here to connect to a new phone. All you need to do is just reset to connect to a new phone. Here, this is very useful. Connect to a new phone, much faster to pair it with a new smartphone. Going back. Again, let's check the different features here. Let's go back again. We have the Bluetooth call, sports history. We have the health monitoring such as heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, as you can see here, we have it here. We have the stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, weather, the calendar, alarm. So there are more options, I think, for our Watch 5 Lite. Okay, but I like the calculator here, very useful, which we don't have it here on our Lite. Voice assistant, alarm, female health, toolbox. In the toolbox, we do have a flashlight, remote camera, stopwatch, and what else? That's it. Okay, again, for the settings, so here are the details: sound and vibration, password, display, do not disturb mode, raise to wake, and that's it. Okay, so which do you think is better when it comes to feature offering? When it comes to this display, it's almost the same. But when it comes to offered features, which do you think is better? Try to comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is the Xiaomi REDMI Watch 5 Lite, and the other one is the Haylou RS5 Smartwatch. Bye!